Now see guys, how to fetch the data from the property file. So that is very important question here. So can I write the heading here? Question is how to fetch the data from property file. Observe, I'll write the script, then you will understand. First of all, what is meant by property file, sir? Boss, property file is also called as notepad. Which pad? Notepad. For example, I have some data inside. I'll create one beautiful notepad here. Okay, and here inside this notepad we will be having some data. Username is there, password is there, even browser is there. Okay, three things are there. For example, even you can write URL if you want. Boss, in between, as I told you, property file can be stores data in the form of key and value pairs. So left side, whatever you are writing, no, that can be termed as a keys. Okay, and I will write values here. What is the username? For example, admin. What is the password then? For example, manager. What is the browser you are using? I am using Edge browser. So can I write Edge here? Yes. And finally URL something https //www.flipkart.com. Okay, and I want to save this file. How we can save? These are all credentials. So can I write credentials dot, what is the extension for property file ma? Dot properties. What properties? Dot properties here. Now observe carefully, boss, I want to fetch this data from this credential property file into the script. So I am writing script here. So how to write the script, sir? How to fetch the data from external resource called as property file? Now can I create one class with your permission here? Yes, the class name is demo. As we know that class is there means what is mandatory? Main method is mandatory. So I'll write main method here. Very good. It means class body open, main method body open here. Now next I have to use the third party. Which third party is the preferable to fetch the data from the external resource of property file here? As I told you, the third party is Java library or file input stream class. So can I create object of file input stream class here? Yes. So file input stream reference variable is FIS is equal to new file input stream, and here to this constructor I am giving the path of our property file. So can I give the path here? Path of property file. Any problem? No problem. Now listen. Observe, this property file can be stored inside the reference variable called as FIS. Are you understanding? Yes. Then we need to create object of properties class. So can I create object of properties class here? Yes. So properties P is equal to new properties. Boss, this properties class is coming from java.util package. Okay, sir, what is the reference variable of this one? P. And try to understand the concept. Boss, I want to store this property file inside this properties class, but already this file is stored inside the FIS. So can I load this FIS inside the properties class? Yes. How we can load it? Listen. So we have reference variable here. So p dot load function or load method. Directly you can load that FIS here. Any problem? No problem at all. Now observe. Here how we can fetch the data in the sense, boss, there is one method called as get property method. This get property method will accept argument as a key. Are you understanding? It means you can use this get property method which is coming from the properties class, and you can give the keys. Automatically values can be printed. Automatically values can be printed. For example, if I give get property, inside it I am writing username un. What is the value for the un here? Admin. So admin can be printed here. Same way using same logic. So reference variable is p dot get property. So the property should be username. Can I store inside the reference variable? Can I store in capital username, guys? Any problem? No problem. So what is the return type of get property method, sir? The return type of get property method is string here. So can I write string? Very good. It means from our property file, it is taking that value. What is the corresponding value for the username key? Admin. So the admin can be loaded inside our capital username. Are you understanding? Yes. If you print it system.out.println capital username, so beautifully you will get the output as admin here. Are you understanding? Same way for the password, p.get property, give the key as pwd. That pwd can be stored inside the capital pwd reference variable. Try to print the reference variable, you will get that manager. Are you understanding? Yes. Now observe carefully. I will close the main method body, and finally I will close the class body. So this is the script to fetch the data from the property files. Are you understanding? Yes.